throw a soap powder into a lemon. What this mixture can do to your home, you will be very surprised and thank me. Don't skip even a second until the end of this video, but before teaching you this, first subscribe this channel, turn on the notification bell, and kindly encouraging you to share this video to the people you love. I will give you a big kiss in the next video. Then tell me through your comments, where are you watching us from? Now let's go, and note everything down. Take 4 peels of lemon, and add them into a blender. Then add 5 milliliters of clean water into blender. After adding that, for lemon's peels. Close the blender very well, and make sure it is well tightened, and finally blend the mixture very well. Let's now check it out. It is already good. Then filter out the lemon liquid. You can do this with the help of the spoon to squeeze it well. This makes our work very easy. We are going to use only the liquid that we have filtered. Now let's add 1 spoon of baking soda. And mix it very well. See now how the mixture is. It is looking like it is growing a lot. Now add 100 milliliters of 70% to 75% of alcohol into the mixture and mix it well. The alcohol function is to make our recipe much stronger. Also, the another task of alcohol is to strengthen the smell of the mixture. It holds it and make it to smell longer. Then finally, let's add 1 spoon of table salt into this mixture. The aim of the salt is to help to preserve this product, the cleaning part and the disinfecting part. And the last is add 1 spoon of soap powder. The soap powder function is to strengthen the cleaning power and potentiate this product, and helps to kill bacteria and germs during the cleaning process. Let's use a small plastic bottle for preservations. If you can't do this, please you can add it with the help of the funnel. It is very important to make small holes at the cap in order to facilitate the application. This mixture is helping health-wise to those who works with cleaning daily. Because it is cheap, powerful to germs and bacteria. Then you can prepare it to yourself for any amount that you want, along with enjoying good smell while cleaning your place. I am going to show you how easy it is to use. Just pour a little amount of it into the floor of your house, and then wipe it. It will make your house's floor to shine very nice, with very beautiful smell. Your floor also will be free from bacteria and germs. Also you can use it to clean your wardrobe effectively. This product scares away mosquitoes, cockroaches, ants and other insects that you don't want in your house. It removes also stains. Moreover, can be used to clean the kitchen, and your kitchen will be super fragrant, with very clean smell. Use it in the bathroom. It is very easy. Just pour it into the toilet, and use the cleaning brush. Your toilet will be clean, and free from germs and bacteria, while enjoying a very beautiful smell from your bathroom. You can also pour it down the drain of your bathroom. It will help to eliminate the dirt stacked down the drain. And also will kill the all bacteria and make your bath to smell very clean. Tell me through your comments, have you learned something new today? Before leaving, I am reminding you to like, comment and share this video to the people you love. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. Then visit our channel, there's so many healthful videos to learn from. Take a kiss, until the next video. God bless you as usual, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Get in touch with us by subscribing this channel. Turn on the notification bell below. Then like and share our videos to others as many times as you can. Don't forget to visit our channel to watch more health videos. We are best natural remedy. Get ready for the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.